Today we are going to start again with question number 11. Right? In the previous day we have completed till question number 10. So today we are going to start with question number 11. So look into your book, page number 59. What is given in the question is an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 100 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be these two planes after 1.5 hours? So now one aeroplane leaves from the airport to north side, okay, at a speed of 1000 km per hour. And the other aeroplane leaves the same airport towards the west at 1200 km per hour. So what you have to find is, you have to find out that after 1.5 hours, how far will be these two aeroplanes, right? So now what we have to do is that first let us draw. So before drawing here, first we will try to find out the distance. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, this is question number 11, right? So first we have to find out the distance travel, because they said you have to find out the distance travel by both the aeroplanes after 1.5 hours. So first we'll find out distance travel by a plane, that's an aeroplane, flying towards north in 1.5 hours. So how much will it be? So we know that according to the question which is given there, the aeroplane which is flying towards the north is flying at a speed of 1000 km per hour. So what we are going to do is that 1000 km per hour into 1.5 hours, right? So now we are going to solve it. How we are going to do it? 1000 into 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2, right? So 3 by 2 will be, let us cancel it. 2 5s are 10, 0 and 0. So 3 5s are 15. So how much it is? 1500 kilometer, right? So this is the 1500 kilometer travel by the distance traveled by the aeroplane which is flying towards north after 1.5 hours. Now similarly we will find out the distance traveled by the plane flying towards west. Okay, so distance traveled by a plane flying towards west in 1.5 hours, right? So what was the speed that was given to us? The speed that was given to us is 1200 kilometer, right? So 1200 into 1.5. So how much are we going to get? So 1200 into, again 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 3 by 2. So when we cancel it, 2 6 are 12, 0 0, 6 3s are 1800 kilometer. So now we have found out the distance traveled by the plane flying towards north in 1.5 hours is how much? 1500 kilometer. And distance traveled by a plane flying towards west in 1.5 hours is how much? 1800 kilometer. Now we are going to first draw. So if we if you look into the map, this is your north, right? This is your south, this is your east, and this is your west. So we need only north and west. So we will erase south and east. We don't need this, right? So now look into the diagram. There, this is towards north. Okay, this is north side. So north side was how much? It was 1500 kilometer, and west was how much? 1800 kilometer, right? So now this makes a right angle triangle. So when this makes a right angle triangle, it is, let me name it, it is ABO, and it is right angle at where? Right angle at O, right? So now we will be using in triangle AOB, angle O is how much? Equals to 90 degree. Angle O is 90 degree, right? Now, according to the Pythagoras theorem, it will be AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OB square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem, right? Now, what we have to find out what is AB square. So now OA is already given to us, OB is already given to us. So now we will put the value. How are we going to put the value? OA square is how much? OA is 1500 square plus OB square is how much? 1800 square, right? So now we have to find out the value, right? So now what we are going to do here? AB square, so 1500 will be how much? 1500 will be around 15 into 15 is 225. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Plus 1800 will be 324 and 4 zeros, right? So now see, we have got here 225 and 4 zeros and 324 and 4 zeros, right? So now next step is what is the next step? The next step is we have to add, right? So AB square is equal to, you have to add both the numbers. So when we add both the numbers, what are the numbers? 225, 4 zeros, and 324 and 4 zeros here. So how much do we get? 3 4 zeros here. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So how much did we get? We got 549 and 4 zeros, right? So now next is AB will be how much? Square root of 549 0 0 0, right? So now we have to find out the square root of 549. Now how are you going to do that? You have to do the factorization. So when you do the factorization, see, it can be easily understood. See, 549, okay, into how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, right? So this is square root, right? Next we have to find out the square. So what we are going to do here is we have to find out this we already know what will be the your factor for what will be the square root of this. It will be 100. 100 into 100 gives us 10,000, right? When I do 100 into 100, how much do I get? 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 and 1 here, right? That means 100 is the square root, right? So now remaining is 549. So let us do the factorization of 549 and see. So with 3 ones are 3 and 4 5 3 sevens are 3 8s are 24 and 9 3 3s are 9. Next 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 and 3 1s are 3. Now it will not go with any other, right? 61 will not go with any other. So what are the factors we got? We got 61 into 3 into 3, right? So 3 3s are 9. So how are we going to get it? We are going to get 61 into 9 into, what was the factor for this? It was 100, right? So now how much are we going to get? AB will be, now 61, we cannot find out the square, right? So now what we are going to do is that we are going to write 3, factor of 9 is 3 into, sorry, here it will be 100, right? And 61 will be inside the square root, right? So your AB will be how much? AB will be 300 square root of 61 kilometer, right? So now what is your answer? Your answer is, hence the two planes will be 300 square root of 61 kilometer apart after 1.5 hours, right? So this is your answer for question number 11. So next we come to question number 12.